Look up, the Perseids Meteor shower is coming soon. Every year in August, people around the world look up at the night sky to watch the Perseids Meteor shower. This event happens when Earth passes through pieces of dust and rock left behind by a comet called Swift-Tuttle. These tiny particles hit Earth's atmosphere. They burn up and make bright streaks of light that look like falling stars. In 2025, the Perseids will be strongest on the night of August the 11th and early morning on August the 12th. Many people enjoy watching the Perseids because they are easy to see. You do not need a telescope or any special tools. Just go to a place that is dark and away from city lights. It is best to lie down, look up and wait. You might see up to 100 meteors every hour. This year, the moon will be small and not very bright, so the sky should be darker. That means even more meteors will be visible. The Perseids are not only beautiful, but they also help us feel connected to the universe. People have watched meteor showers for thousands of years. Some thought they were signs from the gods. Today, we know they are natural, but they still feel magical. Watching the night sky can be peaceful and exciting at the same time.